Hi friends, this is Ashish and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about a Bank Nifty strategy, not the strategy, but yes, how I hedge my position. And I'll be showing it to you. It is a very simple format and a very simple way I do it. See, hedging means how you can safeguard yourself, how you can safeguard yourself in the sense like if for example you bought a stock at 100 rupees and the stock is going against you, if the position is going against you, you should not lose a big amount of money, right? You should hedge your position. That is called hedging. Hedging means just to safeguard yourself. Same way, for example, if you have shorted one of these stock, and let's take an example, you have shorted a stock at 50 rupees, and if the stock goes against you, it means it is going in an upside direction, so you might be losing a lot of money, right? So I'll be showing you in this very simple way how I hedge my Thursday weekly strategy. And I'll not be showing you the strategy, so I'm sure that it is clear here, but yes, I'll be showing you how I hedge my position and how you can do that. It is very simple format. You can do that just to safeguard your position, because Thursday weekly expiry, it is very high probability game. Yeah, on every Thursday there is a weekly expiry in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So I usually do it on every Thursday, and the probability of winning this game is very high, because if the premiums, people who know about options trading, this especially video is for you, because if you don't know about options trading, then I think you should learn options trading, because weekly Bank Nifty and Nifty strategy is only possible in options trading, and I used to do it every Thursday. Today also we made some good amount of profit, somewhere around 35,000 rupees of profit we made it. The capital used is somewhere 3 lakh rupees, so it is 10% return on the capital which is implemented. But yes, I'll be showing you how I hedge my position. It is very simple way. You can also do that, because if you will not hedge your position, and if the position will goes against you, then on Thursday it may be very high chances that you will lose a very big amount of money, right? You will make money most of the Thursday, but yes, if one Thursday will go against you, you will lose big amount of money. So that should not be the case. That should not be the case. So I always hedge my position in a very simple format. And let me show you, just few minutes back there is a market got closed, so I thought this is the best time to record this video, and I'll show you what exactly we did there. So hedging, I'll tell you, and one more thing which I wanted to tell you here is, see, if you do this calculation, people are sometimes, when the market is open, they are very eager to take the trades. It's very greedy, because this is the market which will fascinate you. Stock market is a market which always fascinates you. There are a lot of businesses which fascinates you. Like for example, in case of liquor business, yeah, people who consume liquor, they are very habitual of it. So it is a fascinating business. Same way, stock market is also a very fascinating business. When you see trade in front of you, and you might be sitting, hands, folding your hands, sitting, not doing any kind of trading, your inner feeling will not allow you to do that. You might be thinking, no, I should also take the trade. Let me also book some profit. But yes, that's not as easy as you think it. But yes, it is same way, it is not tough also. The only thing required is you should have the right patience, and you should hit your entries and exit only at the right time. So in case of Bank Nifty and Nifty, on every Thursday, I always suggest, don't be in that greedy area that I should, as soon as the market will open, I need to take the trade. Don't do that, because most of the time market will surprise you, and most of the time it will against your position, it will surprise you. So don't be, and if you do the simple maths, guys, Bank Nifty, if I'll talk about Bank Nifty, let's take an example of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty lot size is 20, right? And if you're taking 30 points of profit in Bank Nifty, so it means 600 rupees per lot you're making a profit. And that's more than enough in an intraday position. So you can take 10 lots, you can take 20 lots, 100 lots, 500 lots, depending upon your capital. But if I'll talk about capital, return on capital, 30 points is more than enough. So that is your target. First, clear your mentality, how much points you need it. Don't be in that greedy area that I should book a profit of 100 points. I should have booked a profit of 200 points. I should take all the positions in the morning, in the afternoon, in the midday. Don't do that, right? Don't be in that greedy area. This is a business. This is a long-term business. It is not an intraday that you will make money one day and tomorrow you will close your systems. So it's not like that. It is a long-term process. So think from long-term point of view. So as per my target, I usually have a target of somewhere around 30 points on a weekly basis. On intraday I'm talking about, not on a weekly basis, sorry. Only on Thursday expiry, I usually have a target of at least 30 points if I can get it, 20 to 30 points, because 20 to 30 points target on my capital is more than enough. Okay. So don't be in that greedy area. As soon as the market will open, I should take a trade. I'll show you an example like today also. If you can see this chart, this is market in front of you. This is a bank nifty chart, right? And if you see in the morning, the market opened at this area, right? And after that, the market was going up, and it was somewhere on 10 o'clock, the market was on the upside. So people might be thinking, the market will go on the upside. And after that also, there were a few more upside, somewhere around 11 o'clock. So people are still thinking that the market will go on the upside. So let me buy a call, because the market is going on the upside. Or maybe I'll sell a put, because if you will sell a put, the market will go on the upside, the put prices will go down. So you will get the premiums, right? But it's not so easy, because I'll show you. See, after a few minutes, this is what happened. So if you have bought a call, or if you have shorted a put, you might be in a loss. So that's why I always recommend, don't be in that greedy area that I should take a trade. You want only 30 points, right? Always hit at the right time. Don't be, I usually take trades. Today I had taken a trade somewhere on 2:30 p.m. I was watching the market since morning, and as soon as somewhere on 2:30, just 1 hour left, market was, you guys know, market closed somewhere on 3:30, and intraday trades got over by 3:20. I took my trade at 2:30. I'll show you that trade also. So that is one thing which I wanted to tell you here is, don't be in that area that I need to book profit. Wait for the right opportunity. You just need 20-30 points. That's it. And you will definitely get an opportunity to hit your right at the right time to get that 20-30 points. Okay. So that is one thing. Second thing is how you can hedge your position. See, one way how I hedge my position is whenever, for example, if I'm taking any kind of trade, I'll show you in the charts only, right? For example, see, this is when the market was going here. Okay. And after that, as per my strategy, this is not something blindly which I did it, but yes, as per my strategy, if the prices will again come to the bottom area, I will take the trade. Okay. And the same thing I did it. As soon as the prices will come to the bottom area, I know that the price, as per my strategy, it looks that the price will again goes on the upside. Okay. It will go on the upside, and the market will definitely close on the upside. It will not close below to this level as per my strategy. That is what my strategy is saying, telling it to me. So I told myself that as soon as the prices will come to this area, I will sell 21,500 put, 21,500 put, and to hedge my position, just one strike price below to that. Okay, I'll repeat, just one strike price below to that, which means 21,400. Okay, I'll repeat, 21,500 put, I've shorted it at this area, because as per my strategy, when the price will come again to the bottom, I need to take that trade. So I told this to myself that as soon as the price will come to the bottom area, I will sell 21,500 put, assuming that the price will go on the upside. And to hedge my position, I bought 21,400 put. Okay, because if 1% the price will go further down, at least I will lose. I'll lose. It's not like that I will not lose. I will loot. But yes, I will not lose a very big amount of money. Because if 21,500 put will give me a loss, same time 21,400 put will give me a profit also. Okay, so this is how I hedge my position. Anytime you are taking any kind of trade, if you're selling a call, just one strike price above to that call, buy it. And if you're selling a put, just one strike price below to that, buy it. So just to hedge your position. Okay, this is just a hedging. This is not a strategy, but yes, how you can hedge your position, how you can safeguard your capital at least, so that you will not lose big. And same thing, if I'll show you, see what happened. As soon as the market come to these levels, and after that at this level, I took that trade. Okay, I took that trade somewhere on this level. These are the candles. And the price of 21,600 was trading somewhere around 60-61 rupees. So I sold it at 60-61 rupees, 21,500 put, sorry. And I bought 21,400 put at somewhere around 20 rupees. After that, as soon as the prices went up here and there, I was making some kind of a profit. Maybe somewhere around 10-20 points of profit. And when the price was somewhere around at this level, I was making that 21,500 put, which I've shorted at 61 rupees. It came down to 25 rupees, somewhere around 25 rupees. And I booked few of the quantities, not all, but yes, few of the quantities I booked it, because I was already making somewhere around 20-30 points. And that is what my target is. As soon as I'll get 20-30 points, I have to book that profit. So I was making somewhere around 25 points profit. I booked half of the quantities. Few of the quantities I booked it. And after that, if you'll see the prices went further down here. The prices went further down on the downside. And you know, when the prices were down, if you're looking at this chart, you might be thinking the prices are not on a very big downside. See, for example, if I pick this bottom, yeah, this bottom is somewhere around 21,483, right? And this bottom is somewhere around 21,373. So only 100 points down. Yeah, the market was only 100 points down. But I'll show you the prices of those puts which I've shorted it. Let me show you. This is 21,500 put which I've shorted at somewhere around 61 levels, and it went up to 147 rupees. See the high of this. It went up to 147 rupees. I've shorted at 61 rupees, and after that, when the market declined by just 100 points, 150 points, it went up to 147 rupees. Think from that point of view, if I would have not hedged my position, how much loss I will be making? Yeah, I would have definitely making a big loss. And think from that point of view, the person who was taking a short at 61 rupees, what is his stop loss? He might have booked the stop loss at 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 90 rupees, not even at 90 rupees, maximum 120 rupees. All these stop loss has been hit. But in my case, it's not like that, because I have already hedged my position. I know if the prices will go further on the upside, I will not lose. Yes, I will lose. It's not like I'll not lose. I'll lose. But yes, I've already hedged my position. So not to worry. Not to worry. And no, as per my strategy, I know that prices will again come back. And see, same thing happened. The prices which went up to 147 rupees is close to almost 0 rupees. Almost 0 rupees it closed. The premium went again down. So this is what happens in most of the time on a weekly expiry. Market surprises you. So if you use stop losses, your stop loss will hit. So in weekly expiries, stop losses won't work. If you're thinking that you will put a stop loss, and after that, in this case only, if you think that you have shorted a put at 61 rupees, and if you have put a stop loss at 80 rupees, 90 rupees, 100 rupees, 120, any price you put it, your stop loss is already triggered and you are out from the market. But in my case, I've hedged my position. I have not put my stop loss. So this is the way hedging will help you also, right? Because I know that as per my strategy, the price will again come back. Same thing happened. So as soon as the prices went up, I've taken few more trades. Earlier, I was in 61 rupees short. After that, I took few more trades and my average was coming somewhere around 71 rupees. I'll show you those positions also. Let me show you. See, this is it. 21,500 put I shorted at somewhere on average. This is an average price because earlier I shorted at 61 rupees. After that, when the prices went up, I again shorted few more lots. So now the average is coming at 71.77, and 21,400 put which I bought it at somewhere around 22 rupees. So this I shorted at 71 and I closed it somewhere around 4 rupees. I made 44,395 rupees of profit. And this I bought it at 22 rupees. I know it will go to 0 rupees, but only just to hedge my position, only to safeguard myself. This closed at 0. So I made a loss of 13,625. So overall, I'm making somewhere around 31,000 rupees of profit, 30,000 rupees of profit I made it. And the capital which I used it somewhere around 3 lakh rupees. So it is good returns on the capital. Yeah, it's a good return. So what I wanted to show you here is, if you have not hedged your position, and you have kept your stop losses, you are out, right? And you might have booked the losses, and now you are feeling bad that why I booked the losses. The prices are again down. So in weekly expiry, 2-3 things. The first thing which I would told you is, if you remember, don't be greedy. You just need 30-40 points, and market will definitely give you 30-40 points as per your strategy. Wait for the right time. I took that trade at 2:30 p.m. Yeah, I took that trade at 2:30 p.m. So that is one thing. Second thing is, stop losses most of the time won't work in the weekly expiry in intraday. Same thing which happened today also, right? If you have put a stop loss, you are out. Okay, so don't put stop losses. Hedge your position. Don't put stop losses. In hedging also, it is not that you will not be making losses. You might be making losses, but yes, most of the time you will again be in a profit. Okay, second thing. Third thing is, as I said, if you have already hedged, how you need to hedge is, for example, if you have shorted a put at 21,500, you can buy a 21,400 put, so that if the price will goes against you, the next strike price will start giving you some kind of a profit. Yeah. So that's it from my side. I hope you have liked this video. If you're not, just subscribe the channel as of now. Give me a thumbs up. Show me the love. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.